Thank you for becoming a member. I hope those videos help you out so much. Don't forget to click on anything on YouTube. When you're on YouTube, be sure to utilize those top headers, right? Up here at the top that say videos, shorts, lives, podcast, playlist. Click on that playlist, right? And if you're searching for anything that I might have, there's this little magnifying glass. Don't forget to click inside that too. But go to playlist right there. This is all my playlists that I have. Don't click on the picture of the video that you're looking for. Click on the words underneath it that say view full playlist, like this one that's got the CPT book prep videos, right? Click on the words that say view full playlist. When you do that, it gives you the entire list of all the videos instead of just starting the videos with whatever one they want to play. This lets you look at all the videos underneath that. Like this is all my CPT book prep videos. I have 138 of them. There's something on every chapter, whether it's guidelines or cardio or lab and path. That way you can look through the headers of all of them and say, I want to do anatomy prep right now. I just want to color anatomy. Let's do that. This is the audio book for ears, right? Or if I want to go to the medicine section, or if I want to do respiratory notes. That way you can look up and see which video you want to watch. If you just click on the picture, it's just going to start playing the first video, which is annoying, you know? So when you go to the playlist, click on the playlist, view full playlist underneath the words, right there. View full playlist. Don't click on the picture.